Git cherry pick explained. What is Git cherry pick? Git cherry pick equals a command used to take one specific commit from another branch and apply it to your current branch. It copies a single commit, its changes, its message, by default. Why? Lets you move only the change you need. Avoids merging the whole branch. When do you need Git cherry pick? You need Git cherry pick when a bug fix exists in another branch. You don't want all commits from that branch. You want only one feature or fix. You need to apply hotfix to main branch. Why? Saves time. Prevents unwanted changes. Basic Git cherry pick command. Command. Git cherry pick less than commit id greater than. Example. Git cherry pick A1 B2 C3 D. Why? Applies that commit to your current branch. How Git cherry pick works. Process. Find commit ID. Check out target branch. Run cherry pick command. Git applies changes. New commit is created. Why? Transfers changes safely. Difference between cherry pick and merge. Merge. Brings all commits. Merges whole branch. Keeps branch history. Cherry pick. Brings one commit. Selective. Creates new commit. Why? Merge equals full branch. Cherry pick equals one change. Difference between cherry pick and rebase. Rebase. Moves all commits. Rewrites history. Used for cleanup. Cherry pick. Moves one commit. Does not rewrite source branch. Used for selective copy. Why? Rebase equals move group. Cherry pick equals copy one. Handling conflicts in cherry pick. Conflicts happen when same lines edited. File changed differently. Git will pause cherry pick. Show conflict. Ask you to resolve manually. Commands. Git cherry pick. Continue. Git cherry pick. Abort. Why? Prevents breaking code. Cherry picking multiple commits. You can cherry pick multiple commits. Example. Git cherry pick id1 id2 id3. Or range. Git cherry pick id1 id4. Why? Applies multiple selected changes. Cherry pick with no commit. You can apply changes without committing. Git cherry pick n less than commit id greater than. Why? Lets you review before commit. Best use cases. Use Git cherry pick when check mark applying hotfix to main. Check mark copying a feature commit. Check mark fixing production bug. Check mark avoiding big merges. Check mark selective change needed. Why? Precise and safe. Common beginner mistakes. Cherry picking too many commits. Cherry picking wrong commit. Using cherry pick instead of merge. Not understanding commit IDs. Cherry picking merge commits. Why? Can duplicate work. Can create messy history. Helpful tip. Finding commit ID. Use git log. Why? Shows commit history. Lets you copy commit hash. Real life example. Cherry pick equals copying one page from a book. Merge equals copying whole book. Why? Cherry pick equals single change. Merge equals everything. In simple words. Cherry pick equals copy one commit. Merge equals combine branches. Rebase equals move commits. Git cherry pick helps you take only what you need without bringing extra changes. Cherry pick equals selective copy clipboard cherry.